In this video, I will show you how to unlink your Rockstar account from Steam. Go to socialclub.rockstargames.com, log into your Rockstar Games account, click on your profile icon in the top right corner, select Account, then select Settings, click on the Linked Accounts tab. While some platforms allow unlinking here, Steam is not listed. Click on your profile icon at the top right corner, select Help, then Support. It will take some time to load up the page. Once load up, click on Account Support, Rockstar Games account, then Account Linking. In the first box, enter Steam, then your Steam ID. To find your Steam ID, open Steam, click on your profile name at the top right corner, select Account Details, copy the Steam ID displayed under your account name. In the message box, type the following message. The message will be given in the description. Upload the required documents, proof of Steam ownership, receipt of purchased games, activation code used for the game, then submit the web ticket. Rockstar typically responds within 24 hours, but it may take several weeks depending on their workload. Be patient, as this is the only way to unlink your Rockstar account from Steam. That's it. Now you know how to unlink Rockstar account from Steam. If this video helps, like, share and subscribe.